Hi dear friends, my name is Marina and you're watching the monthly horoscope for Capricorn for September 2017. Now this month is very positive for you Capricorn, because until the 21st of the month the transit sun is in Virgo, which is trining your own sign. And this is a wonderful time. Basically, this is your 9th house, so that's a great time to focus on your future goals, on things that you would like to achieve. Think about the things that can really inspire you, that can help you to achieve your goals in the future. Plan what you would like to achieve actually in the future. And after that, after the 22nd of September, the transit sun enters Libra and your 10th house. And this is a wonderful time to focus more on your career, on work, on starting some new projects, on your business, or, things that make you, attract attention from others. And we also have two lunations during this month. We have a full moon in Pisces Virgo on the 6th of September, which is in your 3rd and 9th house. And this is a great time to change something in your daily activities. Change the small things that you would like to the small things that you do in order to achieve your future goals. Now, this is also a time when you may need to separate with something in this area. For example, some habits that you may have, or some beliefs, or some plans that you used to make. And we also have a new moon in Virgo in your 9th house, which is on the 20th of September. And this is a great time to concentrate more on education, on things that will help you actually to achieve your future goals. And really, that's the time to plan your future. But, that's a long-term planning, not only short-term tasks. And remember, guys, that we have our live ceremonies for each new and full moon, and I will put a link in the description. You can sign up and join us if you want to learn more about each of the lunations and how it will influence you personally and how you can benefit from that. Now, we also have Mercury retrograde during the first few days of September until the 4th actually. Mercury is in Leo and in your 8th house. And during these few days you have to be especially careful with some financial issues, especially if you, for example, want to invest in something, or some things related with banks, with, credits, and resources which are coming from others. That's definitely not a good time to start new things in this area. And from the 5th of September, Mercury starts moving direct in Leo and in your 8th house, so this stuff should improve for you. If something didn't work, if something was complicated, now after the 5th of September you have a green light for starting new projects and things related with finances, resources and investments. And from the 10th of September we have Mercury entering Virgo and your 9th house, and this is also a great time for traveling, for learning new things, for improving your skills. We also have Venus in Leo, and Venus is in Leo until the 19th of September. So Venus is actually in your 8th house Capricorn, and this is a supportive transit in terms of finances, investments, attracting money from others. So as we said, we have Mercury in Leo until the 4th of September, but basically from the 5th until the 19th is the best time for you in terms of your finances, because we already have Mercury moving direct, but still Venus is in your 8th house. So that's a great time for finances, attracting financial support, receiving finances and resources from other people. And from the 19th of September, Venus enters Virgo and your 9th house, and this is a wonderful time if you plan traveling somewhere, because Venus is the planet of positive emotional experiences, you know, feeling comfortable, and it suggests that if you move abroad, if you go and travel somewhere, you will feel very comfortable there and you will experience some positive emotions while doing that. We also have Mars in Leo during the first few days of September, and Mars is in your 8th house. This is a time when you have to be careful with finances, definitely. Mars is a planet that sometimes can bring, you know, well, a lot of active energy, and sometimes it's beyond our control, especially with Mercury retrograde there during the same time. So, well, you have to be careful about some possible accidents related with finances, you know, some things which are not so pleasant. But after the 5th of September, Mars will enter Virgo and your 9th house, and this is also a very very active transit for you, because Mars will trine your own sign. This can bring you more energy. This can make you more willing to take some concrete steps, especially in terms of your goals, especially about the things that you would like to achieve in the future. You may be really inspired, you know, to plan the things that you want to achieve in the future and to start taking some actions which can help you to get closer to your long-term goals. Well, basically these were the most important astrological events for you. Most of the indications are positive, related with you know, your future goals. The second half of the month, it's about your career, so basically a very active month for you. That's the most important I wanted to share with you. Thank you very much for joining me, and I'll wait for you next month again.